Hi everyone, my name is Lia Rahmawati dengan NIM 25030600158. Today, I would like to presentation my project about the definition of politics. In this presentation, I will explain several definitions of politics, followed by the definition that I personally agree with the most. I will also explain situation and conflict to help us understand how each definition works in real life. Now, let me begin the presentation. Before we begin the presentation, here are 5 political definitions including: first, politics is the art of government. Second, politics is the interaction of citizens in the public sphere. Third, politics is a process of conflict resolution through negotiation, conciliation, and compromise. Fourth, politics is the power struggle that determines how limited resources are allocated. 5. Politics is a corrupt activity that causes trouble by its tendency toward manipulation and lies. Definition I agree with: politics is the struggle for power over scarce resources. I agree with the definition number 4 because political conflict essentially arises from the competition for limited resources, such as budget, power, and public policy. The situation of national budget allocation so that not all interests can be satisfied simultaneously. This triggers competition between groups and institutions to gain greater influence. This definition also explains why negotiation, public debate, and even manipulation can occur in politics. Therefore, this definition is the most realistic in describing political practice in real life. Politics is the art of government. Situation: the government design, attack, increase police to increase the state revenue. The aim was to finance public programs such as education, health, and infrastructure development. This policy was discussed with the legislative body as part of the governance process. Conflict: the policy has been met with resistance from some members of the public and business who consider it burden on the economy. The government must balance the interests of the state and the welfare of the people. This conflict saw that politics as the art government requires the ability to make decisions and manage their impact. Politics is the interaction of citizens in the public sphere. Situation: residents of an area are involved in public discussion about plan to build a factory near a residential area. Opinions are expressed through community forums, social media, and meetings with local government officials. This situation demonstrates community participation in the public sphere to voice their interests. Conflict: some residents support the construction of the factory because they believe it will create jobs. However, other residents oppose it because they are concerned about the impact on the environment and health. These differing views have led to debate and pressure on the government. This conflict illustrates politics as the interaction between citizens in expressing different interests in the public. Politics is a process of conflict resolution through negotiation, conciliation, and compromise. Situation: The labor union and the company are negotiating an annual minimum wage increase. Both parties meet an official forum facilitated by the government. The purpose of this negotiation is to find mutually acceptable solution without causing prolonged conflict. The work demand a wage increase that would adequately meet their living needs, while the company was concerned that a wage increase would increase product costs. There was a sharp difference in the interest between the two parties. Through a process of negotiation and compromise, both sides tried to reach an agreement. This showed that politics serve as a means of peaceful conflict resolution. Politics is the struggle for power over scarce resource situation. The government must determine the distribution of the state budget for the education, health, and infrastructure sector. Each sector is considered important because it is directly related to the welfare of the community. However, the available budget is limited, so not all needs can be met optimally. Conflict. Each sector try to get a bigger share of the budget by exerting political pressure. There is competition between groups and state institutions. This conflict show that politics is often an area for the struggle for power to determine who is entitled to limit resource. This situation reflects the main reality in political practice. Politics is manipulation and corruption that cause conflict situation. Ahead of the general election, some politicians campaign by spreading exaggerate promise and information that was not entirely true. The media and social media were used to shape public opinion in order to gain political support. This situation highlights the negative side of political practice. Conflict. Such manipulation and lies cause division and mistrust among the people. Public trust in political institutions decline because they are perceived as caring about power. This conflict illustrates the view that politics is often perceived as an activity full of manipulation that causes social problems.